Today, we're comparing two Bridgestone heavyweights, the Blizzak LM005, a dedicated Middle European winter tire, and the Turanza All Season 6, a three-peak mountain-certified all-season tire. Can the versatile all-season match the specialized winter performer? Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet conditions, it's surprising how close the competition is. Both tires stopped from 100 to 0 km/h in nearly identical distances with a difference of 0.1 meters. When it comes to handling, though, the LM005 takes the lead, completing the course faster by nearly 2 seconds. However, the Turanza manages to excel in aquaplaning resistance, showing its versatility with a 2.2 km/h higher threshold speed. Moving on to snow, we have some interesting results. Both tires stopped from 50 to 0 km/h in 21.9 meters. Yes, an all-season tire matching a dedicated winter tire, but the Blizzak LM005 quickly reclaims the edge in snow handling, completing the course 1.7 seconds faster, and with slightly better snow traction too. This suggests that while the Turanza can hold its own in snow braking, the specialized Blizzak LM005 delivers superior handling when things get snowy. Now, for dry conditions, here's where the Turanza All Season 6 truly shines. It stopped 6.5 meters shorter than the Blizzak LM005, a huge difference, and in dry handling, the Turanza was also 1.3 seconds faster, showing that an all-season tire really has the advantage when conditions dry out. In terms of exterior noise, the Blizzak LM005 was 1.6 decibels quieter than the Turanza All Season 6. For rolling resistance, the Blizzak LM005 showed a 0.85 lower coefficient value compared to the Turanza All Season 6. In summary, the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 excels in snow and wet handling while also having a much lower rolling resistance. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 shines in dry conditions and even holds its own in wet and snow braking, showing impressive versatility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.